everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're looking at a set number 60157 from Lego City, and it was released in 2017. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start off with the minifigures. This set comes with 3 minifigures, and the first one is this really handsome looking jungle explorer with the kind of nougat colour top, the blue legs, and he's got some green rope around the side and a radio following onto the back with more green rope and kind of straps on his back. He has one of those dark tan coloured caps, and here's a better look at his face with a scar on the side. The second minifigure in this set is this girl, very similar design to the other one, just with a female specific torso and a green sash kind of belt going across chest, and nice brown hairs with a ponytail at the back, kind of hip flask at the back here, or rather a back flask. And here's look at her face. There we go. And for the third minifigure we have the scientist with his nice slick black hair and his white lab coat, showing the kind of grey jersey underneath, and the ID cards, the potions in his pockets, you know, those scientists. At the back we also have more of his ID card. This one is especially special because he has an alternate face. So this is his normal happy face, this is his freaked out face. Let's stick his ears back on. For the animals, because we do get 3 animals in this set. The first one, the smallest one, is a simple little yellow frog like this one. Second one is this nice green snake. Let me get kind of green rattlesnake for the jungle, kind of diamond patterns all over it. And the last one is the biggest one, the big mean alligator with 2 points of motion. We've got the tail, swinging tail, and the mouth that opens up to allow it to eat anything. Yum 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 yum. So this set comes also with a nice airboat, smoothly glide over the water in a swamp, in a jungle. These things they use in the Everglades, if you know what I mean. We've got space for a minifigure inside to sit, and a bit of space at the back for putting, for instance, like a box or something. And we have picking out motors with spinning fans. And we've got the logo of the jungle here with the leopard looking through the leaves. And also, did I forget to mention that it is also a catamaran, has kind of 2 main holes on the sides. They also give you a little bit of foliage. This kind of tree build, lots of leaves everywhere. We've got vines hanging down here, we've got leaves over here, and here this opens up to reveal a little bit of storage space inside there for hidden treasures and stuff like that. And now we move on to the accessories. Now this comes with a good amount of accessories, so let's see what we've got here. So we've got this pole with a kind of grabber on the end, catch a snake with it. How interesting. We've got one of these sword-like dagger things for chopping, you know, branches out the way in the jungle. We've got a camera for taking pictures of what you find. Got a magnifying glass with working lens, and we've got this wooden box for putting some stuff inside. Plus there are 3 of these small round tiles, these golden coins, that you can also find as a treasure in the jungle. So, but that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!